In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file your income taxes with T5008. To file your income taxes using the T5008 form, you'll need to understand what the form represents and how it fits into your overall return. This form is important because it helps determine your capital gains or losses, which are taxable when realized. When you receive a T5008, it usually lists only the proceeds of sale, but not always the adjusted cost base, ACB, which is what you originally paid for the security, including any commissions. So before filing, you need to have accurate records of your purchase price, including transaction dates, fees, and adjustments like splits or returns of capital. To file using TurboTax, Wealthsimple Tax, H&R Block, or any other tax software, start your tax return and head to the section where you report investment income or capital gains, losses. In most platforms, look for capital gains and investments or something similar. There will be an option to either import your T5008 or to enter the data manually. For each transaction on your T5008, you'll need to provide date of acquisition when you bought the investment, date of disposition when you sold it, proceeds of disposition as shown on your T5008, adjusted cost base, ACB your original cost, and outlays or expenses related to the sale, such as broker fees. Once you enter all T5008 data and confirm your total net gain or loss, the software will automatically populate Schedule 3 and include the taxable portion in your T1 General. Be sure to cross-reference the T5008 slips you receive with your trading account history, since not all slips reflect the full picture, especially if you've done frequent or complex trades. After you're satisfied that everything is entered correctly, review your summary and file your return through .NET file or printed mail if needed. Always save your records, including brokerage statements and T5008 second, in case the CRA requests verification in the future. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.